We're going to have a go at changing this panel here. What are we going to call the scuttle panel? That what we'll go for, Ian? Yeah.
Bonnet vent.
Bonnet vent. Bonnet cowling. Yeah. Anyway, other suggestions, put them in the thing below. On our Range Rover L405. So we've got it quite black at the moment. We're doing it quite black. You can't see in the workshop. It all looks shiny. But this thing here is now starting to offend us because it's this sort of strange grey. I think they're going to... Did they call this Atlas Silver? Yes, I really think that's Atlas.
Atlas grey.
Atlas grey. So we're going to have a go at removing it. Now, we've never done this before. Now, we've got a replacement item. And Ian, you want to flip that over so we don't scratch it? And the replacement item's got these tabs, so we know it's sort of clipped on somehow. We don't know if there's a tab on that or whether there's a little docking station, but we'll soon see. And we also have a sort of double-sided tape strip around the outside. Now that may or may not be on the genuine one. This is aftermarket, so you can join us now and we'll find out. So we've put a little adhesive white because fitting this black one we will need to clean the area so that adhesive sticks. So we've got that cleaning white ready. Go on then, Ian, break my car.
So I'm going to go back corner, I reckon.
Oh, that's brutal.
Yep. That is brutal.
That, yeah.
You got to be brave, I think, on this.
You got to be brave. Pretend you're stealing. Fit it like you're stealing it. Right, let's have a look what we've got on there. So that got a load of clips on it then. Yeah, like I suspected. So we've got a, so that one, the replacement one's got the little plastic mount, but it hasn't got the clip that's sort of docked onto it.
They're
So
only a loose
they seem a loose
plastic clip, I think, which is why it sounds so much worse than it
then,
is.
yeah, if it was a metal one, it would come doink. So how easy are they to get off in? Yeah, they're not too bad. Oh. What, like, no, he didn't break. They're quite. Now our car's 5 years old. I bet if you're watching this video when the cars are 10 years old, you'll be snapping them like they're going out of fashion. But they seem alright, don't they? You developed a technique, Ian? Or?
Just pull. So it seems that you've got.
You got like the inner.
You got like an inner tab which actually holds it on.
And then the outer tab which holds it. Yeah. So the inner tabs grip it onto the peg.
You got to lift it off the peg, and you'll notice that the holes in the middle of the peg.
Yeah.
So these kind of sit sandwich in and tuck into each other. So you've almost got to
spread them.
Spread the, but not just the outer bit. You've actually got an inner section to it as well that actually clips in.
Well, but that's what you're doing.
They seem to come off fairly easily.
No, the official Pro. Yeah, that one you just sort of pulled over, pulled from one side and
leave it out, or pull both sides out. Just,
whichever way.
Just spread them.
They seem pretty versatile. So right, and there's no other. Now, interestingly, this one doesn't have any tape, does it?
Nope.
So this one doesn't have tape, but we're okay. This one has got a couple of bits of foam, I notice, around the alignment pegs. We got any? That's a good point. We got any residue on there?
Yeah, I've got a bit of sealant on the back there.
Ah, yeah. It looked like they put some anti-rat or squidgy stuff there, so we might clean that off. So we're going to clean all this up.
You've got the tape on ours comes right
to the back, so it might be as good an alternative as the.
And they've got this thin foam strip. We've got quite a fat foam strip on this.
I think we're going to be alright. Right, so let's have a look. So let's just put those next to each other. Right, so we're going to remove all the clips. We'll stop the video now. We'll remove all the clips. We'll clean all the dust off the bonnet, and then we'll come back and stick it back on. So we have cleaned up all the area on the bonnet here. We've got rid of all the dust. We've sort of scraped some bits of silicone. This may be an early mod, but we've just tried to flatten that a bit because our tape's going to go along here. So we scraped that off. Ian's got the alcohol wipe. We're just going to clean it. So where we clean is mainly that front edge, isn't it, Ian, where we've got the tape. So this will get rid of any polish, which obviously doesn't polish or silicone cleaners that people have put on that the double-sided tape doesn't like to stick to. Right, so while Ian finishes that, right, so these are the clips. So these clipped on quite nicely, so we obviously showed you just taking them off, but to put them back on, they literally just clip into place there. There's one there. What we got, we had one, and we can put another one on the end there. Okay. So that's pretty done, pretty much done, and then we've got to take the double-sided tape off, Now, when we go to put it on, I think we've got a couple of pegs. We've got a couple of, I mean obviously these should have, the actual pins should align it, but there are a couple of extra pegs they've put on without clips. But there we go, do you want to grab that in and let's have a see how we do with that. I'm going to steady that in. Right, I'll just hold this one, you get happy with your end.
Pretty good there.
You're pretty good? I think so. You're going to have to come and do my end, I can't. Right, that end looks good. It's a bit brutal, isn't it? But it's on there.
Don't want it coming off though.
No.
But yeah.
There we go. So that's the gloss black bonnet vent cowl fitting. Good luck with that.